Hey guys, welcome back. This is Shubham and you're watching Wrestling Battle. Friends, WWE Royal Rumble 2021 is less than 3 weeks away and the hype for the event has already started. Royal Rumble is arguably the most exciting WWE pay-per-view of the year. While there might not be any live fans in attendance this year, WWE is still doing the great job in building up the show. WWE often uses the nostalgia factor in Royal Rumble matches, as we have seen several legends and Hall of Famers appear as surprise entrants in this match. Well, the same can be expected this year as well. Let's take a look at 5 WWE legends who could be part of Royal Rumble 2020 this year. So be sure to comment down and let us know which of them would you like to see enter the match. So guys, please watch this video till the end and please do subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell as well. So guys, let's start this video.
Can you dig it, sucker?
Friends, a two-time Hall of Famer, Booker T has had legendary career in WWE. The former World Heavyweight Champion last wrestled for WWE at WrestleMania 28 but remains involved with the company as a panelist. However, Booker T has made his return to wrestling in 2020 at the Reality of Wrestling promotion. Booker T teased returning at Royal Rumble 2020, even openly asking the company to give him a 2 weeks head up if they want him in the match. However, that didn't materialize. Last year on Reality of Wrestling podcast, Booker T teased making a comeback and even stated that he wanted to face Corey Graves, the two of whom had some real life disputes. A couple of weeks ago, Booker T was present at the Raw Legends Night special episode. If the former King of the Ring winner really want to return, WWE Royal Rumble 2021 could be the just perfect opportunity for him. To be honest, he looks in great shape and could surely come back for one night this year, Royal Rumble 2021. Friends, Royal Rumble 2020 saw Hall of Famer Beth Phoenix enter the women's match and last over 23 minutes. While Beth Phoenix just made one elimination, she made it to the final 3 before getting eliminated by Shayna Baszler. Her performance was praised by the fans and critics. The women's Royal Rumble match usually gets more surprise entrants as compared to the men's, as the active women's roster of WWE is relatively smaller and they have to bring in talents from the NXT and Legends to fill some spots. Beth Phoenix has involved in the women's Royal Rumble in some capacity every year. She was the part of the first ever women's Royal Rumble match in 2018. In 2019, she was the special commentator for the women's match at the pay-per-view, and as mentioned above, she again entered the Royal Rumble in 2020. It is entirely possible that Beth Phoenix entered the Women's Royal Rumble match this year as well. The former 3-time Women's Champion could give a rub to one of the young talents in the match. So guys, Beth Phoenix could return in 2021 Royal Rumble Women's match.
I spit in the face of people who don't want to be cool.
Friends, another possible surprise entrance at Royal Rumble 2021 could be Carlito. The former United States and Intercontinental Champion Carlito has been in news recently as WWE advertised his return for WWE Raw Legends Night. However, that never happened and company abruptly deleted all the social media posts about his return as well. In a report following the show, it was revealed that Carlito was not interested in traveling all the way to Florida for a 2 minutes cameo. However, he also stated that he would be happy to come and wrestle. While Carlito did not return on Raw Legends Night, he might just be one of the surprise entrants at WWE Royal Rumble 2021. Last year, we saw MVP return at the Royal Rumble and has since done a great job on Raw by forming the Hurt Business. Carlito could also do the same way this year. So guys, Carlito could make his WWE return in 2021 in the Royal Rumble match.
I'm the boogeyman, and I'm coming to get you.
Friends, WWE Royal Rumble 2015 saw the final in-ring appearance of the boogeyman for the company as he entered as a surprise entrant but was quickly eliminated by the Bray Wyatt. But the confrontation between these two was a great moment, and it is safe to say that two could have a great rivalry, especially the Fiend now involved in the mix. Last year, Boogeyman shared multiple posts on his social media teasing a return to WWE. Many speculated him to get involved in the NXT Halloween Havoc show in some capacity, but that never happened. However, we recently saw Boogeyman appear at the Raw Legends Night special episode where he scared Angel Garza, leading to the R-Truth pinning Angel Garza to win back the 24/7 championship. It is entirely possible that Boogeyman could be used as one of the special entrants at WWE Royal Rumble 2021. He remains to the one of the most spooky WWE superstar of all time. It is to be noted that Boogeyman was wrestling on the independent circuit less than 2 years ago and might as well return for the short full-time run. So guys, there is a possibility that Boogeyman could make his return for a short single run.
Time to play the game!
Friends, the two-time Royal Rumble winner 2002 and 2016, Triple H, one of the greatest WWE superstars of all time. While he has transitioned into a major backstage authority role, the game remains to be a big draw for WWE even to his day. After not wrestling a single match in 2020, Triple H returned to Monday Night Raw on January 11, 2021 when WWE Champion Drew McIntyre had to be taken out for the show due to COVID-19. Triple H went on wrestle Randy Orton in the main event of the show, and while that match ended due to eerie interruption from Alexa Bliss, the game looked impressive in a few minutes. The Celebrity last entered the Royal Rumble match in 2016, last eliminated Dean Ambrose to win it. He and walks out as a new WWE Heavyweight Champion. He hasn't entered the Royal Rumble since then, but that could change this year. There are many directions for him if he enters in the Royal Rumble 2021. His angle with Randy Orton was incomplete, and WWE could use that in the match, as Orton has already announced his official entry into Royal Rumble 2021. Another interesting idea could be to have some NXT superstar eliminated Triple H and get a massive rub from the father of NXT. Guys, rumor is coming out that Triple H could have his last WWE wrestling match in 2021 at WrestleMania 37. So guys, Royal Rumble is the greatest place to start his feud with any superstar. So guys, there is a chances that Triple H would appear in the 30-man Royal Rumble match this year. So guys, this is all about from myself from this video. Out of these 5 legends, which one you want to see at Royal Rumble 2021? So guys, please do comment, please let me know in the comment section. So guys, we will meet in the next video. For now friends, take care of family, take care of yourself, bye bye friends, and thank you for watching this video.